IoT Gateway Camera. New step for security. It's not only a camera, but also the alarm panel for different wireless sensors, giving you peace of mind. Easy to add different sensors by the app. Alarm mode when you leave home. Linked with door magnetic sensor. Once door is open, home app automatically pushes alarm notification, checking the security situation of your home in real time. Linked with PIR motion sensor. Once the human movement is detected, phone app automatically pushes alarm notification. Linked with SOS button. The elderly can carry the button and press it to call for help at any time in case of emergency. Then the camera will emit an alarm sound. An app triggers alarm call to the family members to take emergency measures promptly. More smart linkage scenes make home safety easier. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection reduce signal interference. App connection faster and more stable. It's your home safety guard.